Never done an unboxing video before, but here goes. So I got this nice little twin set off the internet. It's £150. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. There we go. It's already in its little bag. Nice little carry handle, somewhere to put your tape measure onto. Some pen pockets. Phone pocket and a little ID pop. Inside, this will be the batteries. There we are. Which got some charge in it. This one, some charge in it too. Now these are the 2 amp hour batteries. The standard kit normally comes with the 1.3 amp hour, but these ones are a little bit extra. One driver. Nice and clean. A little light on it. Nice. One drill. Battery's gone nice and easy. Same light. 2 speeds. And a hammer setting. Lovely job. Next we get box of instructions, and you get a couple of bits for the driver as well. Couple of bits. Always handy. One Phillips bit, one double-ended bit. They just simply pop in and they don't come out. You have to pull the collar forwards and it pops. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. In that, one decent battery charger. Decent battery charger. Wall mountable, hangable, ringable. Just do these epoxy wire ties. Right, let's get these batteries on charge and we'll give it a go and try it out. Let's put some. Right, battery's fully charged. Well, one of them is, the other one's still on charge. Let's give this a little try. She's been asking me to fit these for a very, very long time. So, what better reason to try them out now? Let's just get the drills going. with ease. Look at that. Get the driver. Well, the battery's still on charge. Nice and tight. So there you have it, Stanley Fatmax. Did notice it does have the attachment there for a belt clip, but it doesn't come with the belt clip, a bit cheap. Other battery's still on charge, won't take very long, didn't take very long at all. Bit overkill for what I just done, but I had to do something with it just to see what it does. A nice little bag to store it in. Decent upgrade from my old drill. That needs to go. Barely holds enough charge to even turn it. I charged it last night. So, it needed to go. I think it's a decent little upgrade. Thanks for watching. So my final opinion on this. It's a bit more than I need. But I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So this drill will come in quite handy for me. Got a few DIY projects coming up. As I said, it's an upgrade from that old one over there. I got it on sale. It's normally £200 for the pair. I think I've seen the lower amp hour battery version in B&Q for only £100 for the pair. But I got these ones online for 150 on sale, normally 200. It done a pretty good job. It did what I needed to do. Drilled into concrete with a masonry bit. Put a couple of raw plugs in. Okay, didn't really need to use that. I could have done it with a hand screwdriver. Cheap little screws that came with the little tie backs themselves. They just cammed out, didn't like it, but I'll have a few bigger projects for that anyway. I've got a kitchen to refit, but yeah, I think I'll enjoy using that. It's got a nice balanced weight to it, doesn't want to roll out the hand, quite a nice balance. Quite powerful. I think I'll end up drilling a few studs out of bikes with it. You see the other one's still on charge. Doesn't take very long to charge at all. I'll probably invest in getting those little belt clips. I can't believe it doesn't come with the belt clips. Such a cheap little piece. They could have just thrown them in the box. One for each. But it doesn't come with it. But yeah, no. If you're looking for household DIY, get yourself one of these. Pretty good.